YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Waveman Mike. This is like the week 2 update, even though it's kind of late. This is like Wednesday night, and that video was supposed to come out on Sunday, but I can't lie, on week 2 I was kind of slacking on applying the minoxidil. Some days I didn't even apply it at all, but that's because like my face was like really dry, so I was waiting to get my Jamaican black castor oil because somebody in the comments recommended it. And then also other videos about minoxidil, they were talking about it. So I waited till I got that until I did it some more, because the lotion that I used, for some reason, it was making my hair, not hair, it was making my face itch more than it was without the minoxidil. So it was making it itch more when I put it on, which was supposed to soothe the itching, make it stop itching, but it started itching more once I put the lotion on. So I was like, nah, I'll just wait for the castor oil. So one thing that I noticed is that with the castor oil, it smells kind of weird, and it's a lot thicker than I expected, like a lot thicker. It takes more to apply it than something like a lotion or something like that, because it's so thick, it's just harder to rub on. But yeah, this is the week 2 update, so I'm just gonna update you on the progress that I got. I do see some progress on my cheek area or sideburn area, I don't know what you call it, but yeah, there's like some hairs right here. I hope this is in the camera, but like there's like hairs right here, and these weren't here like a week ago. Yeah, it's really weird though. I think this is really working, like really working, because this hair is actually longer than the hair that's on my head. Maybe it just looks like that because it's so isolated. It's like 2 hairs put together. There might be some on this side. I don't know if the camera can even see this, because there are like really small hairs, but I'll probably take some pictures of it so you can see it better than in the video, because pictures are usually a lot sharper than videos. But yeah, that was the update. Oh, I should show you how I wash this off. So I'm gonna insert a clip here showing you how I wash off or wash my face and exfoliate my face. I do this every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday.